Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is March the 15th, 2023. I done made it to dialysis. I'm eating my breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, whatever you want to call it. I have some sweet and sour chicken. I have orange chicken. I have noodles. And then I have Sprite hiding right there, the drink. All right. And it's about 5:15 in the morning. Eat this, go get my dialysis on, get that done. Then I have appointment today out in Gresham. And then I have one at the hospital to get my shot. Because I wasn't feeling good on Monday. And also I didn't record on Monday because I was out of space on my phone. But I'm back, I'm here, I'm doing it good, all that good stuff. So I won't get home today until about 5:30. And then I can rest tomorrow and then go hit it again on Friday. Anyway, have a blessed, wonderful, wonderful day.